So we know that Laplace transform of cos 3t is equal to s upon s to the power 2 plus 3 to the power 2 is equal to s upon s to the power 2 plus 9 is equal to f bar of s. So by shifting property we have Laplace transform of e to the power 2t cos 3t is equal f bar of s minus 2. So this 2 is a, so s minus 2 is all s. So in here we put s minus 2 upon s minus 2 whole square plus 9. So s minus 2 upon s square minus 4s plus 13. So where s minus 2 is in place of s. Next example, find the Laplace transform of e to the power minus t times t to the power 5. Here we know that Laplace transform of t to the power 5 is equal gamma pi plus 1 upon s to the power pi plus 1. So in place of this we can write pi factorial upon s to the power 6 is equal to 120 upon s to the power 6 is equal to f bar of s. So this factorial is, if this factorial we can write 1 times 2 times 3 times 4 times 5, this become 120. So by shifting property we can write Laplace transform of e to the power minus t to the power 5 is equal f bar of s plus 1. So this s plus 1 is in place of s. So we can write 120 upon s plus 1 whole power 6. This s plus 1 is in place of s.